Hey guys, what's up? I am back with another unboxing video. So in this video, I have the all new Samsung Galaxy A24, which is a true successor of the Samsung Galaxy A23 from last year. So here's a box of the Galaxy A24. So on the bottom it says we have 6GB of RAM with 128GB of internal storage. Also the color I have is the black color. This phone is made in Vietnam, not manufactured in Pakistan. So again, no charger in the box. So on the back we have nothing. So this phone is costing around 83,500 PKR in the Pakistan market. So without any wasting time, now let's quickly unbox the Galaxy A24. So first, let me remove the plastic with my hand. So on the bottom we have this seal. Now let's remove that, and on the top we also have one more seal. And now let's open this box. So here is the Samsung Galaxy A24. So on the top we are getting this mini booklet. So inside we have our USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. Also we have a quick start guide. Here is our device, Samsung Galaxy A24. So now let's out the phone from this box. So guys, and these are the main highlighting feature: Super AMOLED display. Also we have a triple cameras on the back. We have fingerprint scanner on this phone. So now let's remove the plastic. So here is the Samsung Galaxy A24 looks like in the black color. And guys, on the back we have a glossy finish, although in the black color looks really nice. On the back we have a triple cameras. We have a 50 megapixel main camera on the back. So now let's quickly boot this phone up. On the front we does not have any screen protector. Again we have a SIM ejection tool in the box. So no charger, no hand-free, no silicone case in the box, which is a really disappointing. So anyways, so on the bottom we have our speaker grill, USB Type-C port, main microphone, headphone jack. Now let's see SIM tray. So guys, you can see it is a triple slot, so you can use one micro SD card with two nano SIMs at the same time. It is a full-fledged SIM slot. So on the top we have our noise cancellation microphone. So on this side we have volume up and volume down rocker, as well as a power on button, in which we also have a side mounted fingerprint scanner. We have a 50 megapixel OIS main camera. Then we have 5 megapixel ultra wide with a 2 megapixel macro with LED flash. And the design language of the A24 looks exactly the same as the flagship S23, which is a really nice addition. And the back is completely flat, as well as the frame. So this phone, it fits in my hand very nicely. So now let's talk about the display. So this phone has a 6.5 inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with 60 Hz refresh rate, U-shaped notch on the top. Overall, and the bezels, I would say it is little bigger as compared to the previous A23, similar from each side. So now let's quickly set up this phone up and then we will continue. So guys, this is the first boot of the Samsung Galaxy A24. And guys, in the first impression about the display quality, this phone has a Super AMOLED display, so everything looks absolutely nice. While the previous A23 has a IPS LCD display, I will take that over IPS LCD display. So now let's see the notification area. As you can see, so here is the maximum brightness we have. Display looks really bright. We have 1000 nits of peak brightness. So now let's go to the settings, and now let's go about phone, software information. So this phone is running on Android 13. We have Samsung One UI version 5.1. This phone also has a 5000 mAh battery size with a 25 watt fast charging support. So now let's go to the display. This phone also has a 90 Hz refresh rate. And guys, this phone is powered by new MediaTek Helio G99 SoC with a 6GB of RAM. And this phone also available with a 4GB of RAM as well as with the 8GB of RAM here in Pakistan. So now let's look at the camera. Again, this phone has a triple cameras on the back. We have a main 50 megapixel OIS main camera. So here is the camera looks like, ultra wide. So now let's go to the video mode. So the back camera maximum shoot Full HD at 30 fps. In the mode section we have a pro mode, night mode also available only with the main lens. We also have a slow motion and we also have a macro mode. All those things it is available. We also have a portrait mode. We also have a fun mode which give you a Snapchat filters right in your camera application. So now let's look at the front facing camera. So this phone has a 13 megapixel selfie camera, and the selfie camera looks really nice, and colors and the white balance is done excellent on this phone. And the front camera also shoots Full HD at 30 fps. Again, no 4K support with the front facing camera. Portrait mode also available with the front facing camera, and night mode it is also available with the front facing camera. And guys, over I have to say, and the MediaTek Helio G99 as well as Super AMOLED with 90Hz refresh rate display, it is a big upgrade over the previous A23. Now let's see the fingerprint scanner, and the fingerprint scanner it works absolutely fine. And now let's talk about the battery life, and this phone has a 5000 mAh battery size with a 25W fast charging support, and combined with the Helio G99 SoC, and this one should give you at least 1.5 days of battery life on light use without any problem. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video. So do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos like this, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well. And I will see you in my next video. Peace out.